Let's look at an example of how to accept a product in the Tatmeen system, which we previously sold as an experience, and the buyer returned it back, assigning a method through the Tatmeen method return shipping. After that, we, as a sender, can accept a return. Let's look at an example. For example, a return can be made for the reason that the product was damaged, with an error in quantity, or with a broken plum. In this section, we can see that the product was sold as an experience. Next, we perform a return. Next, in the context menu, go to the Add Tatmeen item. Scan the product. Next, click the Post button. We have successfully returned the product. This message indicates the success of the operation. Next, let's look at an example of how to cancel this action. Click the Post button. Click the Cancel button. We have successfully canceled the return of the product. In this example, we have considered how to successfully return, as well as cancel this action. This process was completed successfully.